Error running React Native app from terminal. iOS. I am following the tutorial on the official React Native website, using the following to build my project. React Native run iOS. I get this error. Although, when I run the app from the Xcode proj, everything works fine. Any suggestions? It appears to be a problem with the location of command line tools. In Xcode, select Xcode menu, then Preferences, then Locations tab. Select your Xcode version from the drop-down and exit Xcode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.